Let's talk about adding captions to your videos in Filma because there are so many secrets people won't tell you. I know adding captions might seem like a big task, especially if you're not a tech wizard. At Filma, we're always looking for ways to empower your storytelling. Worry not, I'm on a mission to make it super easy for you. All it takes is a simple tap on the Generate button under the Captions section that is in the General Options menu. And just like that, Filma starts working its magic, turning your speech into text without breaking a sweat. But here's the real magic with Filma. You have full control over your captions appearance. Group words by ones, twos, or more for perfect timing. Choose from our array of super cool presets for a look that matches your vibe. And it doesn't stop there. You can also tweak the position, alignment, font size, and even the animation of your captions. It's all about giving you the tools to make your captions fit your video perfectly. And just like that, you're a captioning pro with Filma. Want to tweak them? Easy. Just tap on the button that hints the detected text, and your captions editor screen will show up again. That's all for today's video. Adding captions in Filma is fast and easy, making your videos accessible and engaging for everyone.